Sales Alert from Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2020 Hyundai Tucson, stock number 6890. It's ran from the 6 2015 to the current shape. Has a G4NC 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4NC 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left hand door mirror. Left rear 18-inch factory Omega tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory Omega tyre. Right rear right front door no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard. Right front headlight needs polish. Right front 18-inch factory Omega tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen satnav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,